I welcome you all for class 8 subject science, and we are going to continue with our topic, that is our environment. Now in our environment, the last topic here is ecological pyramid. You have understood the nutritional relationship between the organism at different trophic levels. Yes, the relationship not only involve energy but also number of individuals, means how many animals, how many birds are there, and their biomass, the weight at each trophic level. It is possible to graphically represent these relationship which assume the shape of pyramid. Now, such graphical representation, what is it? The graphical representation of organism occupying in each trophic level in an ecosystem is known as ecological pyramid. Understood? Now, in this pyramid there are three types. That is pyramid based on number of organisms, pyramid number of individuals or number of organisms occupying each trophic level in a given place and time in an ecosystem is known as pyramid of numbers. Understood? Pyramids are of three types. Based on three, they make the pyramids. Now, second one, pyramid on biomass. What is this biomass? Biomass is nothing but the weight, dry or wet weight of an organism. Weight of all the matter in the organism in each trophic level is known as pyramid of biomass. So pyramids are framed according to the mass of the organism. For most of the food chains, the pyramid of number will be upright. The number of individual, as you can see here, this is the upright pyramid of numbers. Okay. So here what happens is the pyramid of number will be upright. The number of individual at the successive trophic levels are on increasing. Increasing? No, it is decreasing. See, here the grass is more. Coming, these are the producers. When it goes to primary, it becomes lesser than the producer. Then comes the secondary, it becomes more lesser, and tertiary will be lesser than the secondary. This pyramid is known as upright pyramid of number. So pyramid can be upright of pyramid of number and inverted pyramid of number, where it is decreasing. Okay, here it was decreasing, now here it is increasing. Producer is 1 here. So primary consumers are more, as you can see in the picture here. Then the secondary will be more than the primary and tertiary will be more than the secondary. This type of increasing in the number of consumers is known as inverted pyramid of numbers. Okay, here the third one is pyramid of energy. Based on the amount of energy. In the last class I explained, that is pyramid of energy. As it's increasing, the energy level decreases. As from the producer to the primary consumer, 90% of energy will be wasted as heat and only 10% of energy will be moved to the next trophic level. That is what here it is. Based on the amount of energy fixed at each trophic level is known as pyramid of energy. This pyramid of energy is always upright. Upright means as it's going upwards, it will be decreasing. That is known as upright. So pyramid of energy is always upright, and here only 10% of energy that was available at the previous trophic level moves to the next level. Okay, the next topic here is our biomagnification. Biomagnification is also known as biological magnification. Both are same. Here what happens, in the food chain, it is not just the nutrients that get transferred from one level to other. There are several toxic substances may be transferred from one trophic level to another. In most of these cases, the concentration of toxic substance increases as they pass on to the higher tropic level. Now, such an increase in the concentration of a toxic substance with every link in the food is known as biomagnification or biological magnification. What are the toxic substance? From where it comes to the plants? Example, we take DDT. DDT is an insecticide. Yes or no? DDT is an insecticide which will be sprayed to the plants to kill the mosquitoes and the germs there. That what happens is DDT, an insecticide, especially for eradicating mosquito, has now resulted in DDT being detected in the tissue of small fishes and predatory birds. Now from where? As that is plants, from the producer till the consumer, you can see even the toxic substance is being transferred from one level to other level. That is biomagnification. The DDT has been detected even in human mother's milk. Even the baby is directly or indirectly taking the toxic substance in it. Biomagnification disrupts the balance in the food chain. Particularly, it affects the organism at higher tropic level. As you can see here in the picture, see the water content has only 0.0003 ppm. ppm is parts of per millennium. So much toxic substance will be present. As it moves to the primary level, that is primary consumer, it becomes 0.04 ppm, means it is increasing. And next level again it is more. From 0.4 it became 0.5. From the next level it is 2 ppm. Again it is increased so much. Again for the tertiary level there again it became 25. As you can see, as it moves further from one tropic level to the other, the toxic substance increases but the energy level decreases. From one tropic level to the other, if it moves, the energy level decreases and the toxic level increases. Therefore, it affects the organism at higher tropic levels. So doctor advises when you are not well, take directly the producers, means the plants, the green plants and thing. Instead of that is flesh, that is mutton, chicken. Instead of that, if you are taking the green leaves, vegetables and all, therefore we get more energy and less toxic substance if we eat directly the producer. This completes your chapter here. Now you have to complete exercise in textbook from page 22 in textbook itself. The question answers to be written in the classwork. Even the additional question answers you have to write in the classwork from PDF. Thank you.